Why does it feel like no matter how much more you make, you still feel broke? You're not imagining it, and it's not just inflation. There's a psychological reason your income never feels like enough. This isn't professional or financial advice, just practical insights you can apply based on your situation. Let's get into it. The moment your money hits your account, your brain goes into reward mode. And then reality hits. Your bills don't wait. They take their cut instantly. So your brain never gets to feel the increase in income. It only feels the pressure. And here's the crazy part. When you make more money, your brain actually increases your desire to spend. It's called lifestyle creep, and it hits everybody. You start upgrading little things, a nicer coffee, a better phone, eating out more. Nothing huge, but it adds up fast. Your lifestyle rises quietly, but your income rises loudly, so your brain thinks you're doing better even when your bank account says otherwise. And social media makes it worse. You're comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel, so you spend to keep up without realizing it. Most people don't feel broke because they're irresponsible. They feel broke because their expenses grow faster than their income, and they don't notice it happening. And yes, inflation is real. Groceries, rent, gas, everything costs more. But the psychology behind your spending is the part nobody talks about. Your brain is wired for short-term comfort, not long-term stability. So when life gets stressful, you spend to feel better, even if it hurts later. That's why you keep restarting every month. You're not bad with money. You're fighting your own biology. Most people are stuck in this loop. Money in, money out, emotional spending, guilt, repeat. But here's the good news. You don't need to make more money to feel less broke. You need to change how your brain experiences money. 3 things fix this: awareness, automation, and friction. Automation makes saving happen before you can spend it. Your brain never misses what it never sees. Friction makes spending harder. Delete the apps, turn off notifications, make your brain work to spend. And awareness, that's what this channel is for. Look, I'm not here to give you professional advice. I'm just someone who spent way too much time studying the why behind our spending. We're diving deep into habits and money psychology on this channel. If you want to join the journey, hit subscribe. Your future self will definitely thank you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.